Moringa has been a part of Indian cuisine from ancient times. It offers multiple health benefits including diabetes, blood pressure and asthma control. Recent animal and test tube studies have shown that moringa can help in weight loss. In this video we will discuss how to use moringa for weight loss. Moringa oleifera is a plant whose leaves, fruit and seeds are used for cooking and medicinal purposes. Its fruits are popularly known as drumsticks. You can add drumsticks in your daily food for overall health benefits and improved immunity. And use its leaves to make tea for weight loss. Moringa leaves are loaded with vitamins and minerals, healthy antioxidants and bioactive plant compounds. Different animal studies have found that moringa can help weight loss in two different ways simultaneously. 1. It can decrease fat formation in the body, and second, it improves fat breakdown. You can make tea from moringa leaves or add moringa powder in your food preparations. But moringa tea is the best way to use it for weight loss. You can either use fresh leaves or dried leaves powder to make moringa tea. Even moringa seeds tea is also good for weight loss. Ready-made moringa powders are also available online. Links are given in the description box for reference. However, it is better to make the moringa powder at home if you have that option open to you. The process to make powder is simple. Get hold of moringa leaves, clean and dehydrate them to make a powder. Add 1 teaspoon of moringa powder in water and put it on boil to make tea. This doesn't stop you from making tea from the fresh leaves. Put a bunch of fresh leaves in the water and boil it to make tea. You can adjust the quantities of leaves or powder in the tea to suit your taste. Strain and drink the tea twice daily. Along with it, control your diet and exercise. You will lose weight without feeling starved, as moringa is high nutrition, low calorie superfood. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.